Trailer sway control kit. Save time with our weight distributing hitches that come in kits with mounting hardware and pre-installed components. Pre-installed components. The pre-installed 2-5/16 hitch ball and sway control ball are torqued to specification on the adjustable ball mount hitch head. U-bolts and chain package are pre-installed on the spring bars of the load leveling hitch. Maximum weight capacity. The weight distribution hitches with sway control have a maximum tongue weight capacity of 1,200 pounds and a maximum gross weight rating of 12,000 pounds. Kit includes a weight distributing hitch, Eaz-Lift sway control hitch with mounting hardware, 2-5/16 ball, adjustable ball mount, installation instructions, and a 48,120 bolt together 2x2 high-low shank of 12 length, 2.5 drop, and 5.5 rise. Quality products. Camco makes quality products for RVing, boating, camping, towing, tailgating, and grilling that help take your passion for the outdoors to the next level. Includes 1,200 pound weight distributing hitch, sway control and 2-5/16 hitch ball. Hitch ball and sway control ball are pre-installed and torqued to specification on adjustable ball mount. U-bolts and chain package are pre-installed on spring bars. 1,200 pound maximum tongue weight capacity. Maximum gross weight rating of 12,000 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Product is great. Instruction seemed slightly difficult, however I watched videos on YouTube to gain a better understanding to put together. The weight distribution is great and I feel no sway in my travel trailer, even going at highway speeds.